I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. U.S. retail membership warehouse club Sam's Club is deploying machine vision to automatically analyze members' purchases as they exit the store, essentially ensuring they've paid for everything in their shopping cart. The system involves an arch at the store exits loaded with a combination of 2K and 4K cameras that collect images of products in the shopping cart. Computer vision algorithms extract each item's visual features, such as shapes and colors, from the images and cross-reference them with products in Sam's Club's inventory system. Other algorithms, including some involving AI, detect and analyze the contents and compare it to an electronic receipt. The entire system was designed in-house, Sam's Club representatives say, and all image processing and analysis is done in each store and available in seconds. The new process is designed to alleviate a shopping pain point when customers line up at a club's exit so an employee can review their receipt and compare it to the products in their cart. Since January 2024, the new exit technology has been installed in 120 Sam's Club stores. The company plans to add the technology to all 600 of its stores by the end of this year. Not only is the use of machine vision increasingly branching out into industries outside of manufacturing, such as retail, the variation in imaging techniques is also expanding. One example is shortwave infrared, or SWIR imaging, which typically encompasses the 0.9 to 1.7 micron wavelength range, beyond human vision. It allows engineers to develop applications that aren't easily accomplished using visible light. SWIR light reacts to some common substances, including water, plastic, and glass, differently than visible light, making it more useful in machine vision applications involving such substances. For example, some SWIR wavelengths are absorbed by water, making the water appear dark in images taken by SWIR cameras. On the other hand, SWIR light is transmitted by some types of plastic, making them invisible when viewed by SWIR cameras. SWIR camera systems are now being used for applications including detection of liquid levels inside opaque plastic containers, such as milk jugs, quality inspection of foods that have high water content, like fruit, detecting moisture in clothing for more accurate quality control in textile manufacturing, and monitoring pollution by detecting and identifying methane gas. You can learn more about SWIR imaging during a webinar we're presenting live on June 26th, which will also be available later on demand. Visit vision-systems.com/webinars to sign up. Now let's turn to mergers and acquisitions. IDIS Holding, owned by PPF Group and based in the Czech Republic, recently completed its acquisition of VITRONIC Group in Germany. VITRONIC develops machine vision automation solutions in sectors such as traffic management, logistics, automotive, pharmaceutical and medical devices, and solar cells. The company also focuses in warehousing and distribution solutions for things like reading codes and plain text on packages as they travel along conveyors during incoming and outgoing processes at distribution centers. In the pharmaceutical and medical device arena, VITRONIC offers solutions for inspecting insulin pens, IV bags, transdermal patches, and medical vials. And in traffic management, the company's products help users to enforce compliance with traffic signals and speed limits, and also collect tolls and restrict vehicle access to certain zones. Plans for the VITRONIC Group acquisition were first announced in January earlier this year. And that's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Tune in next time for more of the most interesting and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.